Meaning of French letter.
French letter.
French letter.
French letter.
French letter. The term French letter is a euphemism for a condom. It originated in the 1800s, when French condoms were considered of higher quality and more fashionable than those made in England. The term became popularized in Victorian Britain, where mentioning contraception was taboo. Today, the term is rarely used, with condom being the more common term. However, it remains a part of British cultural history and is sometimes used for comedic effect. Overall, French letter is a dated and somewhat obscure term for a type of contraceptive device.